I know. I'm full
Ay,
surprise.
Dios mío, hits 97.3.
Well, first we'll do what you say. We'll tighten that, make sure, because this looks fairly new.
Doesn't it?
Yeah, I mean, it looks really new, you know? I got all that information's in the iPad, but... Oh my God.
Yeah.
It wasn't even attached on there. It was broken on the inside. The hallway bathroom there. Yeah, that's not real. It's a leaks going that are going down into 3002 taken care of. You know, because we're gonna have to go open up the ceiling down below and basically do the same thing we just did with the tub and find out what's going on. Maybe it's a toilet leak. I don't know. We'll find out.
So listen, I'll be back and I'll be home within less than an hour. So see you soon, okay?
Okay, see you soon. So the stem is probably gonna have to be replaced. You can see it's been rusting for a little bit. Even touching the...
You see the water there? That is quite a bit.